Hey Anubhav, this is Gordon Gecko calling from BSD Capital. How are you?
Hi Gordon, I'm doing well. How are you?
Another day in paradise. What else can I say? So look, I've got your resume in front of me. Why don't you start off by telling me a bit about yourself?
Sure. Gordon, I think my resume speaks for itself. Panchos.
I'm sorry Anubhav, I missed that last part. What'd you say?
Ben Stokes, Gordon. Ben Stokes, he scored a fantastic 100 the other day against Mumbai. Are you a cricket fan by any chance, Gordon?
By cricket, you mean poor man's baseball, right? I'm just kidding. I've just been to one game, so you can't really call me a fan. Calling someone a cricket fan when he's been to one game is like calling someone a playboy when he's had sex once.
You're a funny guy, Gordon.
I really wish my wife said the same thing. But then again, when do I even get to see her? Such as investment banking. But tell me, Anubhav, why investment banking for you?
You know, Gordon, there's just something so sexy about those two words, investment banking. I have no bloody idea what they mean, but they arouse me more than my right hand does. And something else that arouses me, all the fat money that I'll be making. It's just a shame that I won't get any time to spend it because I'll be in the office 24/7. But speaking of the office, I've heard it's a skyscraper. My God, I'll just end up getting such a fantastic bird's eye view of all those peasants from up there. Last but certainly not the least, I've heard you guys spend a fair bit of time with models as well. And who wouldn't want that, especially a guy in his roaring 20s?
And what do you think an investment banker does?
That's simple, Gordon. Cocaine and hookers. But when they aren't at the strip club getting lap dances or doing lines of coke, they spend about 120 hours every single week working. But truth be told, they spend more time complaining about how much they have to do than actually doing what they have to do. And by complaining, what I really mean is boasting, because they spend about 100 of those 120 hours telling people that they work 120 hours every single week. And when those people don't quite stroke their super inflated ego the way they would have liked, they honestly end up jerking off furiously just so that they can ejaculate all their pent-up frustration.
Spot on. And how many times a week you jerk off?
Maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Got to pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers, Anubhav.
Gordon, that's precisely one of the reasons I want to join investment banking. I'll be learning from the best in the business, which will really help me leave my mark, quite literally, if you know what I mean.
Good. I like it. And why investment banking at BSD Capital and not any other firm?
I know BST stands for Bryan, Solomon and Davidson, but I honestly think big swinging dick does more justice to it, given how many big swinging dicks like you there are at the firm, and I honestly see me being one as well.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, Gordon. Gordon, this is meant to be off the record, but what performance boosters work best for you? Cocaine, Adderall? If I end up getting the role, I'll have to stock up on these.
Don't worry about that. If you get the role, I got you covered once you hit the desk.
Oh, wow. How selfless, kind and generous on your part. Behavior that you typically don't associate with Wall Street.
Touche. All right, Anubhav, was good speaking and we'll get back to you soon.
Thanks a lot, Gordon. It was great speaking and look forward to hearing back. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. I like this kid. Definitely see him being a big swinging dick one day. Hey, Hannah. Make him an offer he can't refuse.